Hi everyone, welcome back to App Guide. I'm back with another tutorial video, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to delete your Epic Games account. So if you had been using Epic Games account but no longer want to use it and want to shut it off permanently, these are the steps that you need to follow. Be careful and watch these tips. First of all, go to your web browser. On your web browser, on the search button, make sure that you've typed in www.epicgames.com, and then an interface like this will appear on your screen. Now, if you want to delete the account, you will have to first go to your account. For this, tap on the three horizontal lines on the top right corner. And there, on the lower section, you can see your account name. Tap on the account name. Then click on Account. As soon as you do this, you will land on the General Settings page. Now what you can do is you can simply scroll downwards, and here you can see an option that says Delete Account. Now what you have to understand is that as soon as you finish the proceedings of Delete Account, your account will not get permanently deleted. You will still have a 14 days time period where you can log in and reactivate your account. By doing this procedure, only a request can be sent to delete your account, and it is only after 14 days that your account will be permanently deleted. So in order to request account deletion, tap on Request Account Delete. After doing this, it says that a certain security code has been sent to your email, so now you'll have to go back to your email and check if there's a security code. This is being done so that Epic Games knows that it is you who's trying to delete your account and that your account is not hacked. So go to your email and then check for yourself. Here you can see Epic Games has sent me a verification, a security code. So what I have to do is simply copy the code, go back to the web browser, and then on the security code section, I can simply paste the code and then tap on Confirm Delete Request. After this, it will ask you why do you want to delete your account. So you can simply select in an option that is the most relevant to you and then tap on Continue. And here it says that your account deletion request has been sent. So this is how you can send in an account deletion request. You can also see here that it says that I will be logged out in 15 seconds time. So if you don't want to be using Epic Games account anymore, this is how you can send a request for account deletion, and your account will be deleted within 14 days. So as you can see here, I am also being logged out of my account. And like you can see here, it's asking me to sign in again, which means that my request has been successfully sent. So I hope this video has been useful to you. If you like the video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Also, don't forget to hit the bell notification so that you do not miss out on our future videos. Thank you for watching. I'll see you around next time.